artists. We would like to acknowledge the presence of our beloved mayor, the initiator of this project. We would like to recognize the presence of the Honorable Marisa Red Martinez. We would also like to acknowledge the presence of our Vice Mayor, Medwin Bob Manuel, Vice Mayor and Presiding Officer of the Sangguniang Bayan. And of course, we would like to recognize the presence of former Mayor Geraldine Morales, former Vice Mayor, sorry ha, baka I'm being prophetic. Okay, our former Vice Mayor, Ma'am, I'm prophesying. Okay. Our former Vice Mayor, I stand corrected, Vice Mayor Geraldine Morales and family. We would also like to recognize the presence of the members of the 15th Sangguniang Bayan. We have Honorable Nori Caraan. We have in the audience Honorable Sancho de la Rosa. We also have, of course, our smiling councilor, Consejal Nelly Aguirre. And also, if I stand corrected, naghahanap po ako ng mga ating bisita. Of course, with this one song, our outgoing councilor, Dolan Morello. Sir, magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. And of course, from the 16th Sangguniang, headed by our energetic Vice Mayor, Medwin Bob Manuel. We have from the audience, of course, the highest ranking councilor, my favorite, Consejal Isagani Revilla. And we have... Huwag po kayong maingay, secret natin yon. Okay. He's my favorite because he's a hardworking and amiable person. Siyempre, paborito ko silang lahat. And of course, I'd like to acknowledge also from the audience, Consejal Palma and Consejal Constantino, Casey Constantino, and Consejal Rebo Joshua Red. And also, hindi ko man maalala po ang inyong mga mangyari lamang po, pwede pong tumayo po para ma-acknowledge natin, sir, from Baliis, Punong Barangay from Baliis. Of course, ang ating Kapitan Laines ng Pag-asa, Kapitan ng Kalangkang. Of course, the Rose Among the Thorns, Kapitan ng Hulo po. And yes, Balogo. Nandito po, yes po, magandang araw po. Welcome po kayo. Yes, Libho, Kapitan ng Libho po. Welcome po kayo. And sa Bagong Silang, syempre, Kapitan Rica Prente. Lapu-lapu po, pasensya na po. Pumasa pa ako, mukhang hindi ako papasa. Okay, anyway po, Kapitan ng, syempre, Hupi, Kapitan Abellana. Kapitan po ng Napo, magandang hapon po. De Villa po, magandang hapon po. Kapitan ng Parang po. Pantayin. At ang ating mga kapitan po na nasa kabila ng daan po, welcome po, magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Kapitan po ng Kapitan ng Kaganhaw, Kapitan, magandang hapon po. Okay, palakpakan po natin silang lahat. And of course, ang ating mga panauhin. From Land Bank, we have, if I may, Assistant Vice President Hansen W. Chu, AVP for Southeast Luzon Branches Group Head. And of course, our very own Buwak Branch Head of the Land Bank, we have AVP Efren C. Nalda. Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Now, we were called to be here in a momentous occasion. Bakit po? This is a momentous occasion because after, if I may be allowed to say, 3 terms of haggling, 3 terms of negotiations, 3 terms of, shall I say, a battle of strategies. Finally, naririto na po in our doorsteps, naririto na po ang Land Bank branch. This is a culmination of a long-fought battle. Long fought po, bakit po? Napakahaba. Nagkakaroon ng mga bago-bagong narrative. Pero alam niyo po, this victory is not just a victory of one person, of a group, but the victory of the town itself. Bakit po? Ang makikinabang po dito ay ang mga pensioners natin, mga government employees. This is a testament to the good and honorable intent of the Sangguniang, 15 members of the Sangguniang, headed by then Presiding Officer, the Honorable Vice Mayor Geraldine Morales. Let's put it all together for them. Please. And the 16th Sangguniang picked up the baton to run the race, to snatch the victory under the leadership of our visionary Lady Mayor, who comes from a family also of politicians, public servants. Sa pangunguna po ng ating minamahal na Vice Mayor and Presiding Officer, the Sangguniang Bayan shared the dreams of this town. Kaya po, I have the honor to request everybody to put it all together for the members of the 16th Sangguniang Bayan of this town. Mabuhay po kayo. And leading the battle, leading the fight, our Lady General, the Commander-in-Chief, so to speak, ay ang ating visionary mayor who fought a long, hard battle. And I will not say it's Pyrrhic, because pag sinabi natin Pyrrhic, it's an empty battle. This is a battle that has been fought in social media, fought in many fronts, fought in the hearts of people. Pero nagpapasalamat po tayo. I believe that God is watching over us. And so, without further ado, I would like you to put it all together for our Honorable Mayor Marisa Red Martinez. But last but not the least, we give the credit, the honor, and the glory to the Lord Almighty, because God is interested in public service. God is interested where this town is going. And no amount of hatred, no amount of political divisions, no amount of personal ambitions would get in the way. Together, sama-sama po, the different sectors, the political sectors, the local government, the cause-oriented groups, students, teachers, pensioners. This is your fight. So this afternoon, to begin this groundbreaking ceremony, it is just but fitting that we beseech, we implore the Almighty, who has given the vision, who has blessed us with this victory, to be led by no less than Pastor Carlito Cañeca. May we ask him to please lead us in prayer, in a prayer of thanks, in a prayer wishing for the success of this project. Ladies and gentlemen, may I ask you to please stand up.
Ganda nga po sa ating lahat. At isang paalala lang po galing sa Panginoon. Lahat po ng bagay nangyayari dahil ito'y kalooban ng Diyos. This is the day that the Lord has made. We will rejoice and be glad. Sabi po sa Roma 8:28, that we know all things work together for good. Lahat po ito sa ikabubuti natin at siya'y pinapasalamatan natin. Sabi po sa Psalms 24, Psalms 127, sabi po doon, the earth is the Lord's and the fullness thereof, the world and they that dwell therein. Ang lupa ay sa Panginoon at ang buong narito ang nasanlibutan at silang nagsisitahan dito. Malibang itayo ng Panginoon ang bahay, walang kabuluhang nagsisigawa ang mga nagtatayo. Malibang ingatan ng Panginoon ang bayan, walang kabuluhang gumigising ang bantay. Sa loob po ng 6 na araw, nilikha ng Diyos ang sanlibutan. At tayo po yung ika-6 na araw. Alisin mo po yung mga pagsisinungaling, Maging totoo kami sa harapan mo dahil wala namang lingid sa iyo. Lahat kami ay hubad sa iyong harapan, sa iyong paningin, lahat ay tinatala mo ang sinasabi namin, ang iniisip namin, ang nararamdaman namin. Kaya o Diyos, sa oras na ito, kami ay humihingi ng tawad. Patawarin mo po ang bawat isa sa amin. Noong pong napakaw ang aming Panginoong Isus doon sa krus ng Kalbaryo, tinubos niya ang lahat, pinatawad niya ang lahat, at bibigyan ng buhay na walang hanggan ang sinumang tatanggap kay Kristo. Aming Diyos, sa hapong ito, ikaw ang mapapurihan. Salamat po sa hapong ito na ngayon ay masisilayan namin ang groundbreaking ceremony. Sa iyo binabalik ko po ang mataas na papuri, pagsamba sa pangalan ng Ama, ng Anak at ng Espiritu Santo, sa pangalan ng Panginoong Hesus. Amen. Magandang hapon po sa ating lahat.
You may please take your seats. Thank you. Sorry, I stand corrected. Pasensya na po. Let's sing it a cappella. Bayang magiliw, to give us our welcome address, may I call to the podium the highest ranking of the present Sangguniang Bayan, the Honorable Isagani R. Revilla.
Maraming salamat po sa ating paboritong municipal administrator. Sa atin pong masipag na mayor, Forever 21, Mayor Marisa Red Martinez. Sa atin pong Sangguniang Bayan, sa pangunguna po ng ating guwapong Vice Mayor Babs Rico Hermoso Manuel. Sa akin pong mga kasamahan sa 16 Sangguniang Bayan, sa pangunguna po ni Konsihal Organic Palma, Konsihal Casey Constantino, si Konsihal Rebo Joshua Red, si Konsihal Mar Ferilla, at si Konsihal Emil Alvarez, si Konsihal Joa Mirano Morales, si Konsihal Joa Mirano Morales, and then Konsihal Rustico Reynoso Jr., sa atin pong ABC President kay Konsihal Felix D., sa atin pong PPSK President kay Honorable Justin Rodil, at mga dati pong member ng mga member po ng 15th Sangguniang Bayan, sa pangunguna po ng akin pong naging kasama nung panahon ng kampanyahan, si Honorable Geraldine Morales del Rosario, at ang kanyang mga kasamahan, si Konsihal Sancho de la Rosa, si Konsihal Meli Aguirre, Konsihal Anori Caraan, si Konsihal, siyempre kasama po sa 15 Sanggunian, si Konsihal Casey Constantino, si Konsihal Dolan Kirby Murillo, si Konsihal Felix D, kasama rin po yan. Konsyala Joan Merano Morales. Ayan. Kung may nakaligtaan pa po ay abulong na lang sa akin. Ano po. Siyempre, ang highlight po ngayon ay nandito po siyempre ang ating, kaya kita nandito po ngayon dahil maswerte po kita dahil sa finally ay naibigay na po sa atin yung ating pangarap na Land Bank of the Philippines. So, atin pong palakpakan ang Assistant Vice President na si Cruz. Ano po. So, hindi lang po nahihirapan sa pagpila pero kami po ay gustong-gusto po namin na nandito po yung Land Bank para mabilis po kaming makakuha ng pera. Ano po. Kung kami po yung mangungutang ay sana po ay paunlakan po agad at nandito na po kayo sa Santa Cruz. Joke lang po. Ayun. So, ayun nga po ako po ay naatasang mag-welcome. Ano po. So, unang-una, ina-welcome po kayo dito sa ating bagong lugar ng Land Bank of the Philippines, Santa Cruz Branch. Welcome po. At sana po ay tangkilikin natin ang bangko na ating matagal nang pinapangarap. Hindi lamang po ng taga-gobyerno at sana po yung mga taga-ibang sekta rin ay tulungan din ang ating land bank para po mas lumaki, yumabong at malay natin ano po, dati po yung isang ATM natin ngayon, ang alam ko po ay pag tinayo po yung land bank na bago dito, may dalawa po kitang ATM machine doon sa bangko mismo. Tapos ay may isa po tayong ATM machine diyan po sa land bank. Tama po ba sir ano? Yun po yung base po doon sa nung kita nag-committee meeting, isa po yun sa mga napag-usapan na alagay. Ayan. So, yun po. Hindi ko na pakakahabay, baka umulan pa. Ay welcome po sa groundbreaking ceremony ng pagtatayo ng Land Bank Building, Santa Cruz Branch, Santa Cruz, Marinduque. Maraming salamat po.
Before we move on, just a little trivia. A groundbreaking is so important because it's symbolic of many things. It tells of many things. Ground break, to break. When you plant a seed, when you plant a tree, you always break the ground. Meaning to say, we're building hopes and preparation for the future. We're also building the needs of the future. So a groundbreaking ceremony is just but fitting. Human beings are used to rituals because rituals perpetuate practice. Kapag may ritual po, may symbol po, ito po ay nagsasagisag na maraming bagay. Sa atin po, dito sa Santa Cruz, ang simbolo po ng groundbreaking na ito, it signifies economic prosperity. It signifies financial plenty. And also it signifies public service. Now, I think it would be fitting at this juncture to also recognize some personalities who have in one way or the other contributed in making this project a reality. I would like to call the Honorable Mayor Marisa Red Martinez to hand over the certificates of commendation to the 15th Sanggunian headed by then Vice Mayor Geraldine Morales. Ma'am, can you join me here? May we call on our former Vice Mayor and then Presiding Officer of the Sangguniang Bayan, as well as the distinguished members of the 15th Sangguniang Bayan, Konsehal Sancho, Konsehal Nori, Kapitan Felix, Konsehal Dolan, Konsehal Creneza, Konsehal Joan Merano Morales, and of course, Konsehal Meli Aguirre. The citation reads, Certificate of Commendation is awarded to the 16th Sangguniang Bayan under the leadership of Vice Mayor, the Honorable Geraldine Morales de Rosario, for their invaluable legislative support in the establishment of a land bank Santa Cruz branch, given this 13th day of December 2023 at Santa Cruz, Marinduque. Signed, the Honorable Marisa Red Martinez, Municipal Mayor. Palakpakan po natin silang lahat. Why don't we ask ABP Chu and ABP Nalda to join them? Ayan po, palakpakan natin sila at huwag nating kalimutan na dahil sa kanilang pagmamalasakit, naging ganap na katotohanan na ang Land Bank Branch Santa Cruz. Muli, isa pong mainit na palakpakan. And of course, may we call on the Honorable Medwin R. Manuel and the different members of the 16th, the current Sangguniang Bayan, to receive a certificate of commendation for their invaluable legislative support to make this project a living reality. May I call on Honorable Isagani Revilla, Honorable Casey Constantino, and Honorable Joan Morales, Honorable Rebel Red Joshua Red, of course Capitan Felix D, the President of the ABC, and of course Honorable Palma, sir, and of course the Honorable Dolan Murillo and the Honorable Justin Rodil. And may we call also the ABP, the two ABPs who are our guests, to join us here in the rostrum for a photo ops. Ayan po, huwag po nating kalimutan na dahil sa kanilang pagmamalasakit at pagmamahal sa bayan, meron na po kitang Land Bank branch dito po. Isa pong mainit na palakpakan. Okay. At this juncture, ladies and gentlemen, I think it would be just fitting to call on our project development officer to provide a project description. I am referring to no less than Mr. Nemesio Peñarroyo, project development officer and ICO of the Municipal Planning and Development Office.
Facing road ang ating entrance. So accessible po ito ng stair and para po sa ating PWD through PWD ramp. So meron din po na idea si Mayor at tingin ko po ay maganda rin po na ilagay dahil kumbaga kung pupunta po yung mga tao, lalo na yung mga PWDs and senior citizens sa second floor and third floor, ay makaka-access po sila na hindi sila mahihirapan. So maglalagay din po tayo dyan ng scenic elevator. So yung scenic elevator, ito po yung glass, yung three sides. So habang tumatas ka sa mga succeeding floors ay makikita mo yung view ng harapan. So muli po, isang nagpapasalamat po kami muli sa lahat ng taong bumubuo nito dahil kung hindi po sa inyo ay wala po tayong groundbreaking ngayon. So muli po, magandang hapon and congrats po sa Santa Cruz. Thank you po.
As customary, of course, we need to provide a proper introduction to our guest speaker. I hope I will not be able to misread some of the lines because as I can see here, just to give a bit background on our guest speaker this afternoon, he has more than 3 decades of experience in banking and finance, holding a wide variety of professional positions in both the private and the public sectors. His expertise includes branch accounting, commercial lending, branch operations, branch marketing, bank assurance, treasury sales, and trust marketing. Currently, he is the Assistant Vice President and Head of the Iloilo branch of Land Bank of the Philippines. I do not know if that is on a concurrent basis. I think, but currently he is now AVP of the Southeast Luzon Group. Okay. On education, he is a certified public accountant. He is a cum laude graduate of the University of the Philippines in the Visayas, Iloilo campus with a degree of Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in accounting. And he was awarded by the Philippine Institute of Certified Public Accountants, or the PICPA, as most outstanding accounting graduate. He earned a master's degree in management from the same university, UPV in Iloilo, and he is also a member of the first batch of officers from Land Bank to join the Public Management Development Program, Senior Executive Class Batch 8, or Awangan, of the Development Academy of the Philippines, earning a diploma in Development Management as class valedictorian. Now, he is not just your typical office-to-home guy, but rather he's a well-rounded person. His social-civic involvement involves as having served as former president of the Bankers Association of Iloilo, advocating the theme Back to Basics, promoting financial literacy and savings consciousness, targeting graduating college students about to join the workforce. Additionally, he has conducted seminars in various universities, spearheading the organization's
milestone for the long and productive partnership and commitment between the municipal government of Santa Cruz and the Land Bank of the Philippines. Kaya palakpakan natin si Mayor Marisa. Yehey! I checked the records of the bank and discovered that this project commenced way back January of 2016 with the objective of establishing Santa Cruz Extension Office with BOAC branch as its mother branch to serve the requirements of this northern side of Marinduque. Of course, anong sentro ng northern side ng Marinduque? Santa Cruz. In other words, sana maliit lang na branch. However, with the progress seen in Santa Cruz, this was later amended to be a full-fledged branch, which we will now call Santa Cruz Marinduque branch. So ibibigay namin sa Santa Cruz, hindi maliit na branch, but a full-fledged branch. In 2019, construction of the building was put on hold because of some reasons which were beyond Land Bank's control. Further effects of the suspension of the project were later felt when the COVID-19 pandemic reached the province of Marinduque, where our very own BOAC branch had to temporarily close for 14 calendar days in compliance with very, very strict health protocols then. 2 of our employees were affected by the virus. However, it did not stop our BOAC branch, headed by, of course, Efren, to continuously serve the people of Marinduque as it opened its doors by providing services via our backroom operations such as fund transfer and payroll servicing. Basta Land Bank, it has always been service to the nation, especially to the people of Marinduque. Today, we are here to witness and celebrate another milestone for Land Bank and its partner, or sa Land Bank term, kasama na si Municipality of Santa Cruz. In behalf of Land Bank, I would like to ask everyone to extend your patience a little longer. For about 8 months, our construction period. During these 8 months, there will be temporary disturbances which will be brought about by the construction. Pasensya lang muna. However, this initiative aimed at pushing the long-term benefits for everybody in the municipality and most especially to the people of Santa Cruz. Rest assured that Land Bank remains committed to our missions to provide responsive services beyond banking to all its clients, publics, and stakeholders. We focus on improving our products and services to address your banking needs and to adapt to the changing demands of our diverse clientele. Land Bank is going digital. So we hope that people of Marinduque and clients of Land Bank, dapat meron na kayong Land Bank na mobile banking app and do your transactions online. Once again, thank you very much for the warm welcome, and we promise that Land Bank shall continue to reach more and bank to reach more underserved Filipinos in the spirit of serving the nation. God bless us all.
Unfortunately, I do not have any Código de Maragtas to read and provide you a background for our next speaker. But I think suffice it to say that he is very instrumental right from the first term of our municipal mayor who initiated the project. I have already seen how the salt and pepper hair of Mr. Nalda developed. Consider it as an inadvertence. I would like to do a little recap of the message of ABP Chu. ABP Chu underscored the need of serving the nation. The slogan of Land Bank is serving the nation. I think we will be singing the same theme because we are in the company of friends. I believe every LGU member here, LGU official represented here, every government employee here shares the same vision of ABP Chu, and that is to serve the nation. And we would also like to thank Mr. Nalda if he's about to bow out from public service on behalf of a grateful municipality and the different constituents and clientele you have served. Thank you, sir, with your swan song. God bless you, and it should open more fruitful endeavors for you. Now, the part two, let me give you a little, apprise you with part two of our groundbreaking ceremony this afternoon. The groundbreaking ceremony, or the capsule laying ceremony, using ceremonial shovel and hat, would be led by the Honorable Marisa Red Martinez, since we have 9 shovels. I would be calling on the members of the 16th Sanggunian and the former Honorable Vice Mayor Geraldine Del Rosario to please join the personalities who would be doing the shovel and laying ceremony. At this juncture, may I invite our Honorable Mayor to please join us here, and the different members of the Sanggunian, 16th Sanggunian, and the 2 representatives, our distinguished guests from Land Bank, to do the shoveling and capsule laying ceremony. Okay, ma'am, Madam Mayor, in the presence of the Sanggunian na may dalang shovel, the mayor will be delivering her message. Para unique po ito, ma'am. Hawakan nyo lang, ma'am. Ako hawak sa inyo, ma'am. Ako, para sumama sa picture po.
Paano masasama si Mayor?
Yes, the mayor will be delivering her speech.
Paano masasama?
Later na lang.
Sir,
Para kami lagnat, sir.
Okay, the shovel laying ceremony, the capsule laying ceremony is going to be spearheaded by the Honorable Marisa Red Martinez, after which a closing message shall be delivered by the Honorable Mayor.
Ganyan dapat. Ganyan naman nila. Oo, yun. Mamaya. One, two, three. Nako, mapurol. Nagtalas, boss. Thank you. Oh. Guys. Dili ka sa kabila. Boys, picture daw kami. Boy. Dito muna. Tita Nori. Baka picture daw. Tita Meli. Tita Meli. Thank you. Tita Meli. Para masaya. Nasaan ba si Mano? Mano? 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Tama na. Okay na. Tama na sa message. Tita Nori! Kasi dami hindi ko malaman kung saan. Tita Nori! Sama-sama na kita. Tita Nori!
kasi kayo kasama sa ating success. Kanina rin, kasunod.
Ang pinagpalan. Kusyal dolar!
Okay na. Nakita na. Oh, nadami yan.
Importante picture niya. Thank you so much.
Vice Mayor, dito ang ating Vice Mayor. Ano masasabi mo?
Wala po akong masasabi. Siyempre, forever. Lalong-lalo na po yung employees, mga senior citizen, mga barangay officials, na talaga po natayo pa ng gusto. Actually po natatandaan ko nung session po namin, nung ratify namin itong ordinance na to, ay ang sabi po nito si Alan Joam ay nung pumunta raw po siya sa Land Bank Buwak branch ay hindi raw siya magkasya at sigit-sigit daw papunta sa office ni manager. So imagine po pag talagang punong-puno po ang Land Bank lagi doon, ano? Kaya talagang ito po ay napakalaking tulong sa ating mga kababayan. So maraming po, maraming salamat.
Sir Chief, ano ba masasabi po ninyo?
Matagal na natin inaantay ito. Palakpak naman dyan. Maraming salamat po, Mayor. Marisa Reda.
Habang sila ay nag-vlog, sino ang gustong sumama sa akin din? Selfie ako. O mga... Oh! Huwag muna, dyan muna! Alikot pa yung mga konsyal! Mga konsyal!
Pwede po mag-enjoy dyan?
Pwede po, pero after...
After alas
Mga construction workers.
kami po ang next na po.
Dalian na. Okay. Sige. Dali. Okay, at this juncture, after the photo ops, Madam Mayor, may we request our Honorable Mayor? Then kasi I was asking na sila ang nasa likod ni Mayor muna before the ceremony. Hindi, sinabi mo kanina. Opo. Ma'am? Congratulations, Mayor.
Lahat mga guest po natin, isang magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Good day to everyone present here today. With great pleasure and enthusiasm, we gather here for a significant event, the groundbreaking ceremony of our new Land Bank branch. Today marks a pivotal moment in our community development and progress, and I am honored to share these milestones with each of you. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to those who have made this endeavor possible, particularly the dedicated team behind Land Bank and other local officials. Your commitment and tireless effort to bring this branch to our community are greatly appreciated. Establishing this Land Bank branch is not just about constructing a physical building. It represents a commitment to serving our community financial needs. Land Bank is a beacon of hope, a source of relief, and an avenue for progress, especially for our pensioners, senior citizens, teachers, government workers, and aspiring entrepreneurs. for our pensioners, senior citizens, teachers, and government workers. The proximity of Land Bank branch means much more than convenience. It ensures that they will have easiest access to their pensions and salaries, alleviating the discomfort of traveling long distance or enduring long waiting times. This branch will be a reliable avenue for them to access their hard-earned benefits promptly and efficiently. Also, let us emphasize the importance of supporting small and medium enterprises. The presence of Land Bank in our community will extend a helping hand to those entrepreneurs by providing financial assistance, resources, and guidance needed to grow their businesses and strengthen our community's economic viability. This groundbreaking ceremony symbolizes our community's commitment to progress, development, and inclusive growth. The Land Bank branch represents an avenue for financial inclusion, where opportunities for financial literacy, empowerment, and growth will be made available to all. In conclusion, I am optimistic as we embark on this journey together. The presence of this Land Bank branch will bring about positive changes, offering financial security, support, and growth opportunities to our community. I extend my best wishes and support for the success of this branch, and I look forward to witnessing the positive impact it will have on our community. Sa totoo lang po, maraming challenges po ang nagawa nitong Land Bank na ito sa atin. Marami pong umasa. First term mayor ko po, ginusto ko po na magkaroon ng Land Bank dito, kahit na po ang ating former mayor, W. Red, ginusto po na magkaroon po ng Land Bank dito sa bayan ng Santa Cruz. Ito po yung naging challenge, hindi lamang po sa first term mayor ko, pati po sa 15th Sanggunian, naging challenge din po ito sa kanila. Ito po yung pinag-isa po. Dito, makikita natin ang pag-improve po. Ang sabi nga ni po, sa pagdami daw po ng bangko ng isang bayan, ang ibig sabihin po, pag-unlad ng isang bayan. Kaya alam ko po, malapit na po ang pag-unlad po ng ating bayan na Santa Cruz. Masaya po ako. Sobrang saya ko po na ito po ay maiitayo na. In 6 months po, sa dami po ng tao na nagtatanong po sa akin, matutuloy po baga talaga ang Land Bank. Sabi ko po, mag-antay lang po kayo, inabiding pa. Sabi ko ho, mag-antay lang ho kayo, inaaprubahan pa ho ng sanggunian. Mag-antay lang ho, may mga changes lamang po sa mga plano. Yan po lahat, sabi ko nga ho, sa dami po ng pinagdaanan po natin. Sabi nga ho, kung ukol, bubukol. Ano ho? At kung talagang binigay sa iyo ng Diyos, darating po sa iyo ng maluwag. Kaya yan po ang pasasalamat ko. Thank you, Lord, for all the blessings na naratatanggap po ng bayan ng Santa Cruz. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng tao na nasuporta po sa amin, sa lahat po, lalong-lalo na po ang aking po mga department heads. Maraming salamat po sa aking po mga department heads sa tiwala po nila na inabigay po sa akin, sa mga taong bayan po, sa mga kapitan. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. I love you. Sa lahat po ng tao na Santa Cruzin, maraming salamat po. At least po ang lahat po ng pangarap po ninyo na magkaroon na po ng land bank dito, na hindi na po kayo mahirapan, nandito na po, matutupad na po. Sa inyo pong lahat, we're doing this because I love Santa Cruz and I love you. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. Magandang hapon po.
Sorry po, my instruction a while ago was supposed to be when the mayor is delivering her speech, she would be flanked by all the official personalities to show as a show of solidarity. Pero ganun pa man, like one family, hindi man na perfect, but this afternoon, ito ay isang groundbreaking ceremony dahil nagmamahalan tayo at nagtutulungan ang bayan ng Santa Cruz. Under the leadership of the mayor, with the leadership of the Sangguniang Bayan and all the LGU, on behalf of the LGU, on behalf of our Honorable Mayor, this concludes our groundbreaking ceremony.